Alright, welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of the secondary clutch for the 2003 F7. We did good. We got the new bearings installed, and it made a world of difference as far as the on the shop bench seat of the pants feel. So bearing 1 installed in the roller assembly. Bearing 2 on what I'll call the blind side sheave, the one that faces the engine bay. This one here, I believe, was more worn than this one. So this one, the difference is staggering. The slop has probably been reduced by 60-70% compared to the existing one, to the fact where it's difficult to get the sheave separated with one hand while me still trying to hold the camera with the other hand. So I'm very, very pleased. It's quite a bit tighter. Should run quite a bit more true, which is good. Efficiency is a positive thing. Since we're into it, like we discussed, I did replace the rollers on the roller assembly. So these were the ones that came out. And I was trying to show this better to you guys. But what's going on here, these inner diameter holes are very egged out on these. So that led to it rotating on the pins, not rotating true, and probably causing us some issues. So I did have some very lightly used ones that I saved in my parts bin, and these are on here now, and I wanted to show you guys. I'm trying to force these wheels to move, or rollers to move, and there is next to zero play in these. Side to side, up, down, in, out, etc. So those rollers were toast. So we're going to take those, throw them in the trash. These are good. New bearings are good. Got the new spring over there. Overall, guys, I'm just very happy. I've got high hopes. Even if this doesn't solve the issue, it's always nice knowing that what you replaced was needed regardless. So that makes me feel good. As far as testing goes, I like to do process of elimination, so I'm trying not to mess with too many systems at one time. So what I'll do probably tonight, I will get this reassembled, mounted back in the sled, ready for a quick test drive tomorrow, and see if that was our key to obtaining max RPM. I'm hoping so. My confidence ratio right now is probably 40% that it is. So not the highest odds, but it again, it was needed. So bonus on our part. So more to come. And thank you guys as always for tuning in.